Alright, so if you got a washing machine that's similar to this model at all, and you're having the issue of no spin, or it won't agitate, or it won't wash, won't drain, alright, so all we're going to do is we're going to come underneath it here, and you can see any of the direct drive models are going to be the same as this here. And there's two clips right here. You might have to take you a screwdriver and pry each one of them up, and they just twist to come up. And I'll show you how they lock up back in right here. Alright, so all we're going to do now is you're going to want to remove these two clamps and lift up on the drain pump. And as you can see, this is the culprit right here. So all you got to do is get that sock or whatever it is wedged out, and you're good to go. Alright, so all we're going to do with these two guys is on both sides, it pops in just like that, and it clips right up over them.